Abusia ya kase entertainment anya dane de nyina ne betena singe de bia ne betena se bi say who are you wearing de bia ne be kan sa ho asem anya dane ye bedi asa etoda ye common ne so ekohwe the other side of entertainment which is art me need the sister Sandy be a guy na de Ahosepe ye check a crabby at show every University of Education Winneba Theatre Art Department. Many aqua and then I'm cinematographer Isaac Richmond and I'm Mr. Ampons. I am a driver. You go inside. Yenche so yet me the nyom enkwa aye drama. One who stay dramas be. No one who dear din nyom nkwa aye kasenim. Almost say something or nothing. The machine training in Engun fan show. I'm the guy going 2 times a guy. You heard drama no inside. It's just so beautiful. Mesaka head of production ankasa Dr. One. You know when I'm saying or a doctor of art. Oh, has sympathy more about Badwam TV sir.
Yeah.
Where you know?
Nyame
Efe, adia mudi music nkwa aye but art ni bibia must head of production no. Then I'll join for wing na wo gina cha ho ne saying.
Oh, I'm say ni kan meda oti wahwefo no oti efo nyina ase. Theater na ye hu ni sa no it comes with a lot of complexities and you know we know another genre of performance said your mode enyom ene asa e performance no, without the talking said you'll be sure the person can resonate. What's the title now? You say everything or nothing. They say bibi wo and actually so and ho. Now so if you are able to relate with Sanya you know na na eboa. Now the at the end very interesting. They say we mu nyina your school for ya tete mo University of Education Winneba Department of Theatre Arts Dr. Latifa PhD so mo dance lecturer. Na ebi me school ebi no so da so school. Nti niam na ya kire omo no. That is what they are using. This is what we want the whole world to see. Say the performance, no, any stage in kwa, and any dance in kwa, and any drama in kwa, but the ability to merge everything together. And ne friend
we are Dr. Ampa. Yada sipi so ni echoche we Doctor of Art, or Theatre of Art, or University of Education. Winneba say.
Medini Dr. Godfred Asare Yeboah.
I'm a doctor. Which I'm doctor. Meda sipi. Badwam Ahosepe media sune me need sister Sandy a guy yeah ba Winneba now we share drama guys yeah they deserve some standing ovation and some moments because I mean that was super amazing me teacher na me home mo me see hey na adwuma easy because we so now we free so now we are say now we are na ba chale easy the energy the art everything too artistic guys. I'm a fan of your works. My mama kwa Badwam TV sir. And I'm hearing say way ne brains no behind the kind of doka kasa. And sister no peje drama ne ading tumpan enye easy. Madam, dear ne ko way I'm very interested. Dear ne ko mo.
Near her neoma pia ye pese project. Near her music, her dance, all art forms. Into a lot of work, a lot of artists, a lot of thinking, you know, bringing together mighty minds, their bodies, the music, the compositions. Into a juma bebre pa and a komu. And then I focus on projecting Ghanaian arts and into now who say kita fonton from no. Into Biasha obe who say Ghana related.
Sure, so wedding cross symbols. Now, Papa, dear now, audience on our stage, I bet you be great. Who?
Many things so.
Hey, Papa, who? Because Dambales, no me who be charged, Dambel be Buddha. You are good.
Thank you.
Now, question back. Dear Muje, F, Ghanaian artists, do they involve you in their arts?
In your obia, it depends. Arts beyond the opposite projective. Say, a fireside, mostly we get the connections to help. And fireside is when I say, who media, yeah, boy, Manosokoso.
And the Moye and you may, the NSH or nothing. And pass over so nothing, no big castle bro for years. Society seems to whiny. And easy, my idea pay. I was I did run and call your move because more I want because make a my nakama da. Sister, I said now who facial expression back no I say. I mean, say, like you guys, your facial expressions, everything was just so on point. And amazing. And I wish to see you on the international fronts. Where you're casting, I wish that coming on about way more our boss, but I could be now Buatopa. And also a chance
creativity.
I see. I don't also.
Ekyinkyim na say offer enema be brave take creativity ni na account.
Sister, it's not Jimmy Kebi or Jimmy Kakwa and say yeah then number. You are good.
Thank you.
Style and
Thank you very much.
Wahima, you caught my attention. Oh, because with Tino, for some I said, oh, Mami, why are you?
That's
International Mami, what?
Patrick Mati.
Wahine, so do what I do Wuchi from now over. But I could do a chawa, Diabolo, or by same see, yeah, Diabolo Bain. Papa, also a good one.
That's
Together, no. Your background or every Winniba has say I really did enjoy myself. Next time BBC or Hono I am on patronize art. A patch of baby. As a way when we are going to a child organ. Timmy and as a corner we are going to go. And 3, 2, 1. Hey, I need 3, 2. I back do re mi fa so lati do ya go 3. Me bay. Yeah, I was cramo. I was how I call you Winniba. Me more achimo akwaba bra Badwam Ahosepe jumedie. So world of entertainment. Ye chegud ye fed ye fending and I had some me the sister Sandy. Hey guy. Na na ko bi pi wada na machine ye freezy. In freezy 30 years of solid undiluted journalism. And ye day mamu ye PM wo Winniba. Makacha mo say Ahosepe ye cameras no. Ye nam na ye twitwa. Baby a wo bia no. Unye hu sister Sandy, unhu me camera and me crew no, unhu ye microphone Adom TV, no hu say Jenny ye PM. This was so beautiful. Art is beautiful because I realize as entertainment say yakwa there be an interview beats na say be a question. Celebrities are there. That's not all about entertainment. Sometimes, you know, we say we see months so we sing gigi, and this was Winniba theater art, Ekyinkyim art ensemble. If I be people on sema Ekyinkyim art ensemble for no, hey, almost a dance drama. Now it was so amazing. Say, to me the asound kwa drama nipan kasa. Oh, it was nice. So much video. It was nice. 1 hour 30 minutes. And go for sa mom now. They didn't want quite a man a woman. No. Mo ya dear, mammy I mean mum because that was so beautiful. And I'm loving it. And I would love to go and watch you guys again. To big up yourself. Winniba, once I'm in Doc Kasa say me a talent in Adom. Ebuso nyame adom we nyame nyenchene kamfo no nchene we de mekamfo ti doko kura ka che me se wo hweme na nka me best school mu ho a na o ma polish nti abusua over to you mu metwe fees ne mame na me nkoye mra mfa me yadwuma emfa emamo jabe yentoa we Oh, Dr. Godfrey, sorry, big shouts going out to you. Waiting at us, I mean, fees, you know. Big shouts, big shouts. What funny idea? Oh, Richmond, yes, Uncle Beam. Adom Ahosepe drama, be among Frey. We are here for the talent.